Hi, it's Heather. It's most of the leaves are down, and I just thought I'd show you a quick view of what Snow Queen's looking like these days. This one doesn't get quite as much sun, so this hydrangea hangs onto its leaves a little longer than the other one in the front. And so its leaves have just turned. So yeah, I just thought I'd kind of show you. Um, I am not entirely done with sorting leaves. I still have a few in the path and the seating area that I will take elsewhere, but we just had our first measurable snow, and that was actually really nice because it kind of packs the oak leaves down and kind of locks them in place a little bit. So anyway, and I just thought I'd show you, we have the asters and all the shrubs are still up. So if all the stems are still up, they do a really good job of helping to hang on to leaves so we can keep them in our yard. And anyway, I know it's a look that's it's really pretty different to what we've gotten used to, and there might even be some homeowners associations that don't let you do this, but it's really good for the plants. It's good for insects, and this is storing carbon right here. So any rain, any snow, it just kind of pounds the carbon right into the ground. Um, so it's rather than using a lot of power equipment to haul things away, and more power equipment to shred it up. Um, I'm not entirely against shredded leaves because they do break down a little quicker, but this is pretty easy. It's pretty cheap. So anyway, um, yeah. So I definitely recommend this. It's um, it's doable. So just I don't know. Just it's. I think everyone's leaves are down, and that's the hard part is once the leaves are down, then we can deal with them. So anyway, try an experiment if you haven't left leaves before. Try an area and try some experiments. But anyway, uh, that's about it. There's one of those little asters over there. It's so cute with the seed heads. Kind of hoping some of the goldfinches go for those seeds. So anyway, we'll talk about some more stuff here in a bit, and have a great day.